Let's go from this
Sir! Oh boy. Oh my goodness.
to this. Ah, so much better. This is DIY in 5. Hello everyone, I'm Trisha Hirschberger and welcome to DIY in 5 from Home Edition. While many of us are self-isolating and doing what we can to keep our loved ones safe and healthy, lots of us are finding ourselves in a work-from-home situation. Later, sweet pea, mommy's working. It can feel a little overwhelming, to say the least. And now, while I cannot help you with childcare, remembering to shower, or put on pants, what I can help you with is setting up a dedicated office space to maximize both productivity and sanity while working from home. So what's that space look like? Most of us are not lucky enough to have a dedicated home office room where we live. If you already have that, congrats, you can skip 95% of this video. But for the rest of us, creating a dedicated space with a table, chair, and some type of makeshift workstation will go a long way. Brian from our Kingston team suggested grabbing a small kids table used for Legos, puzzles, or holiday parties and repurposing it as a desk. Now, I have been known to section off a part of my dining table or place a flat surface horizontally between two shelves to make a desk, provided it can handle what you plan to put on top of it and has room for your legs underneath. Awesome. You'll also want to pull up a chair, preferably with a back on it. Long days on a stool will start to take a toll on your posture for sure. Once you've got your space figured out, it's time to look at your workstation. If you have a laptop that you normally use for work, you're off to a great start. A few extra peripherals can really make that laptop experience feel more like a desktop experience for prolonged work sessions. If you have any old or extra peripherals lying around, like a mouse or keyboard, break those out. Most desktops come with a standard keyboard and mouse that can get stored in closets in favor of specialized gaming, wireless, or ergonomic options. Once you're using a standard size keyboard and a mouse again, instead of a trackpad and laptop keyboard, you'll never look at the standard keyboard mouse the same way again. Now, for extra credit, if you have an old small TV or monitor laying around anywhere in your home, chances are good that you can use that to make a 2-monitor setup. Check the connectivity options and search the house or online retailers for adapters if need be. Anyone who's ever gone from 1 to 2 monitors can vouch for how wonderful this upgrade is. So if you can do this at home, you're in good shape. And for extra credit, you might want to consider getting a laptop docking station like the pluggable USB 3.0 universal docking station. It has dual video HDMI and DVI/VGA outs, gigabit Ethernet, audio, and 6 USB ports so that all your peripherals connect to the docking station. And then the docking station connects to your laptop via one USB 3.0 cable. This way, if you need to take your laptop to another part of the house, it's much easier to disconnect and reconnect without resetting up your workstation each time. Next, let's talk video conferencing should your job require that. Again, if you have a laptop, you already have a built-in webcam and mic that will work for a variety of free video conferencing platforms like Zoom or Skype or BlueJeans. And if you're working off a home desktop, you may need to invest in a cheap webcam like the Logitech C920, a staple for years and my personal favorite. It's got up to 1080p video and has dual mics so that your audio's cooked right in. If you have a job that discusses more sensitive subject matter that you don't want your family to overhear, or you don't want your coworkers to overhear your family or roommates, see if you can find a headset somewhere. While a nice big cushy one like the HyperX Cloud will help keep out the noise around you, even a set of earbuds that came with an older phone will get the job done, and as a bonus, may even have a built-in mic with better audio quality than what's on board your laptop or webcam. Another thing to consider if you do a lot of video conferencing is what your background is. Not just for aesthetic reasons, but because I've personally seen more than a few half-naked family members who were just getting ready for the day, unaware that cameras were broadcasting their morning routine. Now, if your camera does look into sensitive areas, consider putting up a divider, curtain, or even using a software background removal tool. Zoom offers virtual background solutions, and Skype has a toggle to blur the background, which is better than nothing. XSplit also offers a background software removal tool called VCam that can be used with any video conferencing solution. And as a bonus for many of these, you can replace your background with any image you want. The beach, space, the Shire, anything. Lastly, I'll mention security. If your work involves sensitive information and your company hasn't already installed security software on your device, investing in a VPN or virtual private network might not be the worst idea. Working from home isn't easy, but taking some time to up your space with the right tools can make it a lot more bearable. Share your at-home setups using the hashtag #WorkFromHome. A lot of people are using this hashtag to share cute pictures of their pets, which is also a bonus. And make sure to hashtag DIY-in-5 so that we can see it as well. Take care, everyone. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time with more DIY-in-5.